Want to make a fruit gelato that's both creamy and bursting with fresh berry flavor? In this video, I'll show you how to make my favorite mixed berry gelato while sharing the techniques you can apply to almost any fruit gelato. If you're looking for a dairy-free version, be sure to check out my Frutti di Bosco sorbet tutorial right here on my channel. You'll also find this recipe linked below, or you can save it, scale it, swap different fruits, and see exactly how those changes affect your balance metrics in my app, Gelato Lab. Let's get started. Begin by measuring your smaller ingredients. If you prefer, you can substitute the locust bean gum with 20 grams of tapioca starch. The dextrose is optional, but I recommend it. It helps soften the gelato and absorb some of the berry's water without making the flavor noticeably sweeter. Next, add in the non-fat milk powder, most of the granulated sugar, you're going to save some for the berries, a pinch of salt, then whisk in the whole milk and heavy cream. Add the vanilla extract. The light corn syrup helps reduce ice crystallization, and I strongly recommend it, but you can leave it out if you'd rather not use it. Transfer everything to a saucepan and cook over medium heat, whisking constantly until the mixture reaches about 185 degrees Fahrenheit or 85 degrees Celsius and visibly thickens. Hold it there for a minute or two. This step is one of the keys to smooth gelato. It activates the starch and other ingredients, so you end up with a creamy texture instead of an icy or sandy one. Remove the base from the heat, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface, and chill for at least 3 to 4 hours or overnight for the best texture. Just before churning your gelato, prepare the berries. Fresh, ripe berries are wonderful, and they're in season here in New England, but frozen berries are often picked at peak ripeness and work just as well. Just thaw them completely first and include any juices when measuring. Mix the berries with the remaining sugar and a little lemon zest. Then, here's one of my favorite professional tips. Gently warm the fruit for a minute or two in the microwave or on the stovetop. You're not trying to cook it or dissolve the sugar, you're just warming it slightly, which helps release the berries' natural aromas and intensifies their flavor. If you'd rather skip this step, that's perfectly fine, but I always recommend at least macerating the fruit with the sugar. Once your base is ready, add the berries and blend until completely smooth. Large fruit pieces will freeze hard in the finished gelato, so blend thoroughly. If you enjoy fruit pieces, I recommend making a separate berry sauce or variegato and swirling it in after churning instead. Transfer the mixture to your gelato machine and churn for about 20 to 30 minutes. Or until it reaches a thick, smooth, and scoopable consistency as seen here in this video. Then, move the gelato to a freezer-safe container, cover it, and harden it in the freezer for another 2 to 4 hours. And one last tip, serving temperature makes a huge difference. If you'd like to learn more, I have another video dedicated to serving gelato at the perfect temperature right here on my channel. The result is a rich, creamy berry gelato with incredible fresh fruit flavor that's become one of my family's favorite summer recipes. Buon appetito! No spreadsheets, no complicated calculations, just real Italian gelato made easy. For more gelato tips, recipes, and tutorials, check out the other videos on my channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Want to learn more? Join me inside Gelato Lab. It's free to get started. Explore a growing collection of recipes, ask questions in the community, scale and balance recipes with confidence, or connect with home gelato makers and professionals from around the world. You can also visit my websites for free and premium resources, gelato FAQs, and consulting support. Thanks for watching.
Ooh, gelato!